Now we come to the next topic, soilless resources. Here you are seeing the picture of the soil. Unweathered parent rock is at the bottom, then weathered parent material, subsoil and topsoil. Topsoil is the humus which is formed by the decaying of plants and animals. We know the soil is the important renewable natural resources, but it takes millions of years to form the soil. The important factors that contribute in the formation of soil is chemical and organic changes which take place in the soil. Soil consists organic humus, as I have already talked, and inorganic material. And we can classify soil in different types on the basis of soil formation, color, thickness, texture, age, chemical and physical properties. Now, what you have to do, you have to go through the chapter classification of soil. Different relief features. Already I have told you that you have to learn the physical features thoroughly of 9th class, and if you know which type of physical feature is present at particular area, the soil of that area will be dependent on it. Now the types of soil that are found are alluvial soil, black soil, now this is the map of types of soil that you have to plot in on your map. Now as we know, here it is Himalaya mountain range, that is mountainous soil. Here it is second to the bottom of that is northern plain, that is alluvial soil. And at the eastern coast there are deltas of rivers. Here it is also alluvial soil. Here peninsular plateau is there, and black soil and red soil are there. Black soil is formed due to the lava, volcanic eruptions, and red soil is having zinc. As you can see, सॉरी आयरन डिफ्यूजन के कारण ये सॉइल रेड कलर ले लेती है व्हेन इट इज नॉट इन द हाइड्रेटेड फॉर्म. हाइड्रेटेड मीन्स ड्राई, नॉन हाइड्रेटेड मीन्स moisture is present at that time. Now laterite soil, it develops in the area with high temperature and heavy rainfall, and that is the reason it is found in the western coastal plains and in Meghalaya. You can see it, pink color, Meghalaya. It is devoid of nutrients because due to leaching the soil lose its fertility, that you can study here. Then there is arid soil which is found in the desert area, mostly in Rajasthan. Forest soil, it is found in the hilly and mountainous area. They are loomy and silty in valley sides and coarse grained in the upper slopes. You will read it in the chapter. Now soil erosion and soil conservation is our last topic. Different activities like deforestation, overgrazing, construction and mining, they are responsible for soil erosion. Now two types of soil erosion that is found in India is sheet erosion and gully erosion. Look here. This is gully erosion. And second one is topsoil is washed away, that is known as sheet erosion. Now the important factor that you have to go through is the how to stop soil erosion or how to conserve soil. These are the methods which will tell you how to stop soil erosion, that is contour plowing. Slopes of the mountains, we have to plant trees at the edges of the mountain, not means horizontal we have to plot, not vertical. Then large fields we can divide them in strips. This breaks up the force of the wind. Then planting lines of trees to create shelters, or stabilizing of sand dunes through shelter belts. I think left you can study from the book.